Good morning, guys. It is Monday, December 27th. Yes. And I just finished with my Pilates mat class this morning. I'm on my other favorite mat. I showed you my other one the other day. I love this mat. Yeah, so I'm gonna make a protein shake. No, I'm not gonna make a protein shake because I'm starting to be suspicious my protein I might be sensitive to one of the ingredients in my protein shake or more. So I'm gonna make some eggs and then do some prayer and meditation, and then I might do a little bit of knitting before I leave to go to the chiropractor. So I'm not gonna lie to you, I feel a little rough this morning. So Pilates felt amazing. I'm so glad that I got up for class. Yeah, yesterday I basically just sat and knit all day and ate trifle and candy. I had to drink water, but I only had like a little bit of like real food. I had leftovers from dinner for lunch yesterday, and then for dinner I had like potato soup. But mostly I just ate candy and trifle, and it was really good. But I am definitely feeling it this morning. I like feel like lethargic and dehydrated, and I don't feel great. But Pilates really helped, and so I think I'm gonna hydrate today and go back to my normal eating patterns for today. Nourish my sweet body. I might go for a walk too, because it's supposed to rain the rest of the week, so I think it'd be really nice to go out for a walk and spend some time in nature. There's Nolly in the background. Yeah, I think that'd be good. If looks like it's going to rain this morning too, but if it's not raining after the chiropractor, I might go for a walk. And I don't know, I kind of like to bring my knitting with me and knit by the lake. I think that'd be really nice, but we'll just see what the weather does. So I'm gonna make some eggs. I'll check back in with you guys soon. You guys, look what I've discovered. My hyacinth is blooming. Isn't it beautiful? I love hyacinth. And if you've never had them before, then maybe you don't know, or maybe you'd know this even if you haven't had them, but in any case, they smell magical. I have a bunch of hyacinth in my garden leading up to my front door, and it's kind of an enclosed sort of walkway to my front door, and so all of their smell in the spring gets trapped, and it smells like you're going through the most expensive perfumery in the world. It's so good. So it's beautiful, and now I can sniff it multiple times a day. So I wanted to share that with you. Okay, so done with the chiropractor. My mask is difficult to get off. I feel like the adjustments only take like 2 minutes. They take longer though. They maybe take 5 or 10 minutes. They don't take long at all. I've never been to a chiropractor before, so it's just very interesting to like, I don't know, have that experience of going in. But it's not too bad. I can't tell if it's helping or not. It's not making anything worse, which seems good. But yeah, he did say that things are looking better. I don't know what that means exactly. Because I can't tell what's changing, but if he says that things are looking better, then that seems good to me. I'm definitely not feeling worse. I do feel like my posture might be better, like my back or my spine is more like uplifted, perhaps, if that makes any sense. So, I don't know. The chiropractic thing might be okay. So that seems good. I brought my sock knitting with me. So I might go for a very short walk because it really does look like it's gonna rain. And I might try to do some knitting. Yeah, I think that'd be kind of nice. Or, yeah, I think that'd be kind of nice. Let's go see, let's go to the lake. That's our destination. The perfect knitting spot. You know, I wouldn't normally set up my knitting on the dock at the lake, but it's too chilly for kayakers. And it's during the workday for most people. So, not for me because I took off. But yeah, it's a little too chilly for kayakers and canoers and stand-up paddleboarders and all the usual people that are out here. So I feel like I can use the dock for knitting. If the park staff has a problem with it, I guess they can let me know. But nobody else out here, so seems like the ideal knitting location. This is a nice place to sit and knit. Not a bad spot. Look what I found. I think these are paper whites. I think. They're beautiful. That clump over there. Extra nice. Just in the middle of the woods. I guess someone probably planted them. Looks like there was a building here at some point. So, yeah, these must have been planted. And we come to one of my favorite spots. You can imagine that in the spring and summer, this is green, kind of hidden. But even in winter, the mossy floor covering remains. All right, that was really nice. I spent about an hour by the lake, walking on the trails, knitting in the moss. That was really nice. I'm now guessing Alex is going to want lunch. Oof, I spent a long time doing that actually. It's actually an hour and a half. Oh well. So I'm going to go and get him some lunch, and then I'll warm up some lunch for me, I think. Actually, I'll call him and see if he's already had lunch. And if he hasn't, I'll go get him something. That was really, really nice. I'm glad I did that. I wish I could do it more this week, but it'll be raining. But maybe if it isn't. And I can also knit on my porch if it's raining, as long as it's not like blowing wind or rain at me. But yeah, lunchtime. Guys, I may have gotten on Etsy to look at the end of year sales. And I might have just ordered a slightly unnecessary amount of yarn. Oh no. I'm gonna have socks for every day of the year at this rate. No, dear. Well, Alex said he was happy I was happy. What a good husband. I am blessed. We don't have any easy food in the house at the moment, so I made oatmeal and put almond butter in it. I did have a few bites of trifle too, but I did not have nearly as much as I had yesterday.